Want to turn any flat logo into a 3D design in just 2 minutes? Let's do it with Adobe Project Neo. Start by importing your 2D logo into Project Neo. Once your logo is in place, you can change its color, and you can also modify its appearance by adding some of these options. Don't forget the light. Add any rotation of the light, height, or shadow distance. And add a floor reflection to really make it shine. Use the orbit tool to rotate your camera to find the best angle. Move the logo into place and tweak any shadows or highlights that you need to in order to really make it pop off the screen. You can modify the background by adding either a color or a gradient. To change part of your logo's color, go up and select one of the 3D objects and place it on the artboard, making sure it covers whatever part of your logo you want to change color. Once you've selected a color for the 3D shape, then select Combine Color. What that does is it adds that color to your shape. Let's add one more. And that's it, a multicolored logo. When you're happy with the look, just go up to Share or Download, choose a high quality image you can drop straight into a presentation, mockups, or animations. And that's it, flat to 3D in minutes. If you want more quick Adobe tutorials, check out my other videos in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.